Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off books reading, automatically invert images in darker themes on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Books. Next, scroll down to the Reading section and then tap on Automatically Invert Images. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on this feature. And it said that in darker themes, adjust black and white images to improve contrast. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.